Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking our first look at the all-new 2025 Apex 243 FKS travel trailer by Coachmen RV. This is one of Apex's most popular smaller couples trailers. This thing comes in just under 6,000 pounds dry and a little shy of 30 feet long. We're gonna take a few minutes here, kind of walk you through the inside and outside of this front kitchen, rear bedroom setup, and kind of again, show you what it's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the all-new 2025 Apex 243 FKS travel trailer here by Coachmen RV. This right here is a front kitchen, rear bedroom setup. This is a very popular kind of mid-size couples trailer. So as you see it on the floor plan and stuff that was up, again, front kitchen setup. So you're gonna have up here in the front your 12-volt refrigerator. They went to a air fryer oven this year. Have the Lite built in, light up knobs, 3-burner gas stovetop. The window back behind there does open as well. Hood range light and fan. Nice little traditional microwave there. A lot of counter space on the front kitchen layout here. You do have 3 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers with some storage down below there as well. And also a little bit of storage below the sink area. Now below the sink area also kind of acts as a little bit of an outside storage area because typically front kitchen models don't have a huge amount of outside storage. So you'll kind of see that when we get out there. You'll also have some overhead cabinet space as well. Now kind of looking up at our ceiling here, you can see the ducted GE air conditioner, and you can opt in for a second one if you feel like you need it in the area you might live in. Over here, you're gonna have your dinette area, traditional booth dinette. It has little doors on the front of it that open up. There's storage underneath that will also go down and make into a bed. You're gonna have big windows in this slide out as well, and all the windows in the slide open. The slide floor kind of matching the main floor as well. Now over here, you're gonna have a nice tri-fold sofa that will flip out and make into a bed. So you could also sleep a couple extra guests here. So you're gonna have your bedroom in the back, and then you're gonna have sleeping capacity out here for 2 to 4 people, depending on the size of the people, between your dinette and your couch. Now down below that 12-volt fridge, you also have your electric box with your breakers and fuses. You're gonna have directly across from your sofa area, your Jensen TV, along with an electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. Over here, you're gonna have a little bit of cabinet area that does have a removable shelf in it. So if you maybe wanted to get a closet rod or something and hang something in there, you could. However, they set it up for shelf space. The portable Bluetooth speaker by Driven does come with it. You're gonna have your on-demand water heater controls right here. Slide button, awning light switch, living room light switch, water pump, monitor panel for your holding tanks right here. Going on back a little further, real quick, there is also prepping for the WineGuard Gateway Connect feature. So you have an Air 360 Plus antenna on here, and if you get that Gateway Connect, it will allow you to bring in internet off of, like, say, Verizon or AT&T or some phone service that you could subscribe to and have internet without having to necessarily use your phone as a hotspot. Foot flush toilet, Sliding door for privacy between the bathroom and the main bedroom. Swing door here in the hallway. But you're going to have your medicine cabinet, sink area, little step-in shower. Let's get spun around here so you can see it from both directions. A little bit of shelf space there to put some towels and washcloths and stuff on. Stepping on back a little further here, we are in our master bedroom area here. So the bed is on a slide out. You have large windows back here in the bedroom area, and these windows all open. You have pulled down nightshades back here. The bed will raise up. It's on a shock assist. And under the bed here, you have a couple drawers with a little bit of shelf space for something short on that side. And then over here, there's another drawer, a little seat area right here as well, so you could maybe sit down, put your shoes on. There is a little section underneath of there where you could slide your shoes under as well. It has a little grab handle here, so you can easily pull it up and down. On the back wall right there above the valance is going to be an area for TV. So you could mount your TV to that back wall. Just be careful, don't use too long of screws. And you have your electric outlet and your cable outlet right there on the roof. There is also another roof vent up here. You're going to have a closet here with hanging on the left side and shelf space on the right side. You're going to have an entry-exit door taking you in and out of your bedroom directly. Slide control here for the back room, along with the light switch. And there is a decent amount of room to actually maneuver around here. So trying to come in here and get dressed and stuff is pretty easy to do. It's one of those little bit larger feeling bedrooms for a smaller trailer. And going right on back out to your living room kitchen area. All right, I want to take a second here, show you around the outside of the RV, and then we are going to come back in and close this thing up and show you what it looks like closed as well. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Coachmen Apex 243 FKS travel trailer here. We're gonna start here on the door side. We'll kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, they have a whole new graphics package for 2025. So different look on the outside. This is a white fiberglass exterior attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material on the outer part and the inner part of your wall boards and stuff. So it is much less likely to have a delamination problem compared to cheaper wood Luan backers found on a lot of fiberglass RVs. You have a lower black metal skirting, some vinyl graphics. You're gonna have deep tint safety glass windows. On the front side here, you're gonna have a little bit of storage which goes underneath of the sink area. Motion light in here, the charge controller for the 200-watt solar panel, and you also have a light switch for the front cap lights. Not a huge amount of storage, but a little bit there. A lot of front kitchens kind of lack a little bit on outside storage, but they make up for it typically on inside storage. Now you do have an on-demand water heater right here. You're gonna have that furnace exhausting out right there as well. You have electric outlet and cable outlet on this side. So you could set you up a little TV out here or something if you wanted to. On your main entry door going in and out of the RV, you're gonna have that heavy duty Lippert solid step 4.0, which is rated for 500 pounds, has adjustable feet, tiltable for the different terrain you might be on. You're gonna have this kind of cool little outside suburban griddle that slides in and out on a little tray here. And you also have your mini fridge here as well. It is a dual axle unit, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, aluminum wheels. You have that outside hot and cold utility shower there as well. The unit has heavy duty scissor stabilizer style jacks, one on each corner. You're going to have the traditional hover style step on your bedroom door here going in and out. Those steps come out, they fold back up under the RV. They're rated for 300 pounds. A little bit of storage area here. Baggage door again held up by a magnetic holder. Traditional flat back fiberglass rear end here. Now you do have prepping in the top center for the rear observation camera by Furrion. Nice safety feature to consider adding to the RV. You also are prepped in the top right corner there for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. Another thing that you might consider getting, allows you to get up and down on and off your roof and not have to worry about kids or somebody climbing up and down on and off, falling off and get hurt. You just basically use the ladder when you need it, throw it in a compartment when you don't. You'll see this little yellow sticker back here talking about the frame on the rear of the RV now is prepped for a 2-inch hitch receiver. And that is something you could do aftermarket if you want. This one was ordered with 50 amp electric service, so you have a detachable 50 amp power cord here. It's probably somewhere between 25 and 30 feet long. You're gonna have an cable inlet here. A gravity fill fresh water tank fills up right here, black tank flush, and your city water inlet both right there. Now you do have two separate dumps. So back here you're gonna have a gray and a black dump, and then just up in front of the axle up there is gonna be a galley dump for your sink. They're just too far apart for things to flow properly, so they had to separate them. The slide outs are pre-prepped for Soul Air slide toppers. Those are really nice awnings that you can buy, attach them to the RV, and they will roll in and out with the slide, basically helping to shade the room. It repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. Just makes it a little more enjoyable camping, so you don't have to worry about getting up there all the time and cleaning off the tops of your slides, especially in the fall when all the leaves and stuff and twigs and things are falling out of trees. Now right here, you're gonna see some very important informational stickers that talk about like when the RV was built and some of the weights. So for example, it was one of the first 2025s that rolled off, and it was built 6/13 of 24. Model number 243 FKS. The RV has a gross weight of 7,600 pounds. That's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that. You're gonna have a dry weight sticker here telling me the RV was 5,924 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line, with an exterior length of 29 feet 5 inches. Tire size, ST205 75R 14D range tires with a 65 PSI cold. Now it is very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any of these RVs. Now looking at the front here, again, new graphics package on the front. You do have a lower metal skirting with kind of like a 3/4 fiberglass front shell, big windshield, couple LED light strips in there as well. I even noticed they brought back the little Dalmatian dog emblem that Coachmen used to run with years ago. You have a power tongue jack with the manual override here. You have heavy duty safety chains, 2 5/16 hitch ball, 7-way Bargman wiring plug set up again, so that will send power back for all your lights and your brakes. You do want to make sure you have a brake controller in your tow vehicle so that it can actually send power back there. You're going to have room here for 1 or 2 batteries, spare tire mounted underneath the front here, and a battery disconnect right there as well. But a very cool new look for the 2025 Coachmen Apex model. Now we're gonna step back inside here, guys. I wanna show you what it looks like all closed up as well. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now back inside the new 2025 Coachmen Apex 243 FKS travel trailer here. And I just want to show you real quick what it looks like closed. So I did go ahead and close these up to speed this up for you. So you can see here when it's closed, I could still come in here, load my fridge, come in, maybe wash my hands. I could use my oven if I needed to. But I'm not really going through the RV, so it will block me off from the bathroom and bedroom from this side. However, I can go through the back door and be into the bathroom and bedroom area. So if you're just stopping at a rest area and you need to run in and use the restroom, or you want to go grab something out of your bedroom, you can go through the back door. But if you need to come into the front and grab something out of the fridge, you can do so. When it's going out, it's pretty simple and easy to do. This front slide is a rack and pinion 12-volt powered slide. Kind of hear that ratchety noise, letting me know it's all the way out. Let off the button. But quick and easy to do. It only takes a few seconds to run these things in and out. Now, it is very important to make sure your floor is clean before you bring that room in so you don't accidentally run over something and rip your linoleum. Now, kind of stepping through here, I can go into my bedroom without having the back bedroom open. However, when that front slide is closed, I cannot do so. But kind of getting you an idea here what it looks like with the bed slide closed. I could come in from outside, kind of go right on here into my bathroom, no problem. I could probably lay down in here, take a nap a little bit. The bed does kind of go underneath of the closet a little bit, so you'd have to kind of scrunch up your legs probably a little bit to do so. But it only takes a few seconds to run this room out as well. Now, this room is a different type of slide room. This one is a Lippert in-wall slide, which used to be referred to as a Schwintek slide. So this is a 12-volt powered slide as well. However, it does operate a little differently than the one up front. And as you see, pretty quick and easy to do. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, it is greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button down below, help out my channel. And as always, guys, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.